Usually, regular tools are applied for modeling buildings. To make process more effective, in this module we'll study Revit instruments deeper. Let's create new project based on architectural template. Well, let's work with, for example, walls. Firstly, when we run any modeling tool in the Revit, tab is switched to Modify. Here we have set of drawing tools. This set led us to create model with necessary properties. For the wall, it is straight line construction. So let's draw it. And chain. This is a way of drawing. It means walls are being created continuously like polylines in AutoCAD. Each new segment in this mode is started after the previous one is completed. And if chain is off, objects are made one by one. Like this. So we are able to draw also rectangles, then inscribed or circumscribed polygons, circles. We can assign the number of sides to draw triangle. And here we have different kinds of arches, ellipses, partial ellipses, peak lines and peak faces. All these functions are regular. The only thing is that fillet arch works with already created walls. Like this. Well, to cancel mode, just press escape once. Two essential options are peak lines and peak faces. Here they are. Peak lines uses existing lines as references. It might be any line or object boundary. For example, we draw model lines, then go to the wall and select peak lines. Now walls are created according to model lines. It makes sense when you have got underlay in AutoCAD and you need to transfer it to Revit. Peak lines is good to make, for example, axes, but it's important that lines are continuous because there may be too many inaccuracies that it would be easier to draw above. Then peak faces, it is creating objects according to faces of a mass or generic model. This is a big topic for further studies. We'll touch it later. According to what you're making, try to use different options. For example, for axes, a less number of instruments going to be used, and for some, even more. So firstly, take a look what are available options.